Hello friends, in this video let's see how to change the column header from A, B, C to 1, 2, 3. This format is called the A1 referencing format and the format we are going to change is called the R1 C1 referencing format. Let's see how to do it. First go to File, then click on the Options. Here go to Formula, just click on the checkbox which says R1 C1 reference style and just click OK. Now the column header has changed to 1, 2, 3 instead of A, B, C, D. And to change back to the default format, we just need to follow the same steps. Go to File, Options, Formula. You just need to uncheck the R1 C1 reference style from the options bar and click OK. That's it. The column header has changed to our default format. Thank you. Let's see in another video.